One of the biggest mistakes people make is falling in love with a beautiful house without first asking the right question. If you're considering buying a house in Casa, I would like to share with you 5 things you should consider in making the right decision. These simple conversations will save you money, reduce stress, and help you in making the right choice of villas. Before we actually start looking at homes, you have to have that conversation with yourself to determine exactly how much you're comfortable investing. Buying a home is more than just the cost of the villa. It's the furnishing of the villa, it's the closing costs, it's the HOA, it's the other miscellaneous costs that will come up as a result of your purchase. Knowing exactly what that number is will help you to make the right choices. Step number 2, know how you're going to pay for the villa. Every client is different. Some clients are cash buyers. Some clients use the equity in their home to make the purchase. Some clients choose to use a local bank for mortgage financing. And some clients choose to use the developer's payment plan. My job is to help you understand those options so that you make a choice that's best for you. Determine exactly what you will use this villa for. Is it your plan to wake up to this every morning for the rest of your life? Is it your plan to wake up to this just for the winter months and rent it as an investment property when you're not using it? Those are key questions you need to ask yourself, because that would help you determine exactly what style villa, not just a floor plan, but what works best for your proposed lifestyle. And you will have the opportunity to customize that villa the way you want it. Step number 4, timelines. Our current build time is 5 to 6 months. If that doesn't meet within your time frame, we can work with you to give you an additional 5 to 6 months to actually start your construction. So if you're thinking a year down the road, we can start the process today and still be completed on your timeline. Now that you've decided what villa you want to build, we understand that buying property overseas can be a little scary. Our job is to make that process as easy and as transparent as possible. Just to set your mind at ease, all our new construction comes with warranties. We have a team of architects that will help you design your home the way you want it. We have a project management team that would help you choose the right fixtures and fittings, the right tiles, the right colors, everything you need to make your home your forever home. We also have a team that would inspect your villa after construction to ensure that everything is absolutely perfect, so when you receive your home, there are no issues. I've helped numerous buyers move to Dominican Republic, some of them without even having been here to purchase their property. But the important thing is, once you get here, the things we do to make you feel part of the community, not just the welcoming, but getting you in touch with the community and things that are in the community. If you're a veteran, where the Veterans Clinic is, the supermarket, fire station, the clinic. So it is doable. Remember the 5 steps that I mentioned earlier. Know your budget, so you know exactly what you're looking for. Have an idea of what you're going to use the home for. Decide if it's going to be a forever home, it's going to be a rental investment. If so, get some advice on what works best for a rental investment. And just trust the process. We're totally transparent. I've been an owner here for over 20 years. Casa has been around for over 30 years. You can trust us. I've helped several clients move to the Dominican Republic. I can do the same for you. It is important that you have peace of mind, and that's what we do best. When you're ready to make that step, I'll be more than honored to help you through the process. For more information on this process, send me an email to the email address below.